So today we want to introduce you to a smart interactive panel, or a TV if you like, which has a bunch of really useful features for any business or company. It runs on 2 built-in operating systems. We'll start with the Android OS, which is what the device boots up on. Probably the most important feature is the whiteboard. That's when you actually switch the device to a kind of board mode where you can import different images and graphs. Using the toolbox, you can turn on many useful features like a ruler, compass, and the option for online voting, where you can scan a QR code with your smartphone. Of course, you can create one, scan it, and vote. Very suitable for meetings. In the menu, you can select various functions like sending an email, saving files, importing images, sharing, and so on. With the push of a button, you go back home. Of course, the device supports screen sharing and a browser. It also has built-in software for presentations and documents. One of the biggest advantages is probably the camera, which can be used for conference calls with your manager, boss, or online team. It has a fairly wide angle, so it'll see all of you. Internet is a given. You connect via Wi-Fi, but the device also supports connecting via a LAN cable. You just enter a web address like our website. The website runs beautifully smoothly. That's a great advantage if, for example, you want to have it displayed in a showroom like we do. Of course, there's video playback. YouTube will launch, and it's no problem to start any video. As we mentioned, the device supports 2 operating systems. Use this button to switch to the second one, which is Windows itself. In this case, Windows functions completely like a Windows device, supporting all the features a Windows device supports. Among the main perks here are definitely screen sharing and a virtual keyboard, which is absolutely essential if you want to do anything without a physical keyboard in this interactive TV mode. Of course, we also have access to standard features like the internet, and you can pretty much browse and do whatever you set your mind to. In my opinion, the possibilities are truly limitless, and it's an accessory suitable for any business, reception, or office. Simply put, its use is truly versatile. We can show you what it would look like at a reception desk. You'll need to turn your virtual keyboard back on. As you can see, it's absolutely responsive. You turn the keyboard back on. We definitely recommend purchasing a physical keyboard too, so you don't have to keep turning this virtual one on. The device itself has 4K resolution. Absolutely unobstructed, high-quality images. The construction features a metal frame. On the side, there are handles that let you easily move the console along with the panel, or even the TV if you prefer, so there will be absolutely no problem with its placement. It also has HDMI ports, 3 USB ports, and a Type-C port. The device itself offers remote control capabilities, which is included.